We are now going to practice multiplying complex numbers. We do need to remember I squared is equal to -1. Let's get to work. Find the product. I have 3i times -5i times 4i. I'm going to rewrite the expression, and I'm going to group the real parts and the imaginary parts. 3 times -5 times 4 times, I have an I, times another I, times another I. 3 times -5 times 4 is -60. Now, when I am multiplying I times I times I will use the product of powers property. That will be I to the third. I'm not done. I can simplify more. I to the third is the same as I squared times I to the first. Remember, the product of powers, when you multiply the same base, you add those exponents. But I squared is -1. So I will now have -60 times -1, which is a positive 60, times I. The product of these complex numbers is 60i. Let's try another one. Find the product of 3 plus 2i and 4 plus 7i. We are multiplying binomials. When we multiply binomials, we could use FOIL. Let's multiply the first term in each complex number. 3 times 4 is 12. The outer terms, 3 times positive 7i, will be a positive 21i. The inner terms, positive 2i times 4, that will be positive 8i. And the last terms, 2i times 7i is 14, I squared. We have some simplifying to do. Now, once again, don't forget, I squared is -1. So I have changed I squared to -1, and I will continue to simplify. 14 times -1 will be -14. I will now combine the real parts, and then I will combine the imaginary parts. Positive 12 and a -14, that will be -2. Positive 21i plus 8i will be a positive 29i. My answer when I multiply these two complex numbers is -2 plus 29i.